We talk about how can you enable new supporter notifications on your uh, on your app. So we will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you on your Audiomack app. All you have to do, you just go above here your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications here. You come to next step here, then you go down. Just come here to new supporter here. Just click here in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us as menu supporter notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.